In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your WooCommerce store name and URL in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to refresh your brand identity or optimize your site's online presence, making these changes can really help your store align better with your business goals. Let's get started by first heading over to wordpress.com. This is the home of all things WordPress, and from here, you'll have all the tools you need to manage your website effectively. Once you're on wordpress.com, the next step is to click on Login. With your credentials handy, enter your login information and you'll be directed straight to your WordPress dashboard. Once you've accessed your dashboard, look for the Settings section. You'll find this by navigating through your dashboard menu, where you'll see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on it. This is where most of the core customization options for your WordPress site, including your WooCommerce store, can be accessed. Next, within the Settings menu, you'll want to click on General. This is where we'll make our key changes. In this section, focus your attention on the site title field. The site title is essentially your store name, which is displayed in multiple locations such as emails and browser tabs. Click on the site title to begin editing it. You can now enter your new store name. Make sure this name accurately reflects your brand identity and is something your customers will easily recognize and remember. After updating the store name, don't forget about the URL, a crucial aspect of your brand's online visibility. To change your URL, locate the WordPress address and site address fields nearby. Changing these will update the URL visitors see when accessing your site. Ensure that this URL is not only simple and easy to remember, but also aligned with your store's branding. It's important to note that changing your URL can impact search engine rankings and links to your site, so you'll want to make sure any necessary redirects are in place. Once you've made all the necessary changes, the final step is to save these updates. Look for the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page and click it. This ensures that your new store name and URL are applied correctly across your WooCommerce site. And there you have it. Changing the name and URL of your WooCommerce store is a straightforward process that can make a significant difference in how your brand is perceived online. Remember, these changes are not just cosmetic. They're integral to your brand's online strategy. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!